Nicolechanel here, and welcome back to my channel. I recently took you guys along with me on a shopping trip to Dollar Tree to look for fall decor, and let me just tell you, I found more than enough. I'll definitely leave that video down below if you're interested in watching it. They have some amazing finds. But in this video, I'll be showing you how I customize certain items from there to make it more my style and what I'm loving for fall this year. I'll also be showing you how I use them in my home to decorate with. So let's go ahead and get started. This stuff here is just some of the stuff that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and this is the rest of the stuff. So let me just begin by saying this wreath is actually from Michaels. This whole Target bag is pretty much the stuff that I've had from previous years, and then stuff that I got recently, like these flowers I got recently from Dollar Tree, this sign also from Dollar Tree. Unfortunately, this wreath though is from Michaels, but I got it with a coupon, and I think I got it for like $5 or $6. But this is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you guys a lot, everything that's from Dollar Tree that I'm going to kind of use to decorate with and things like that. Starting off with this piece here, I actually made this last year, and I'll go ahead and put that video down below if you're interested in watching it, but I wanted to update it a little bit. Previous video I mentioned I did not like orange. That's not true. What I meant to say was I didn't want so much of it. For this DIY, I do not have too many updates that I want to do to it. All I want to do is pretty much just interchange the leaves. Using leaves I already had from last year, I'm going to be ripping off the top leaf and then just gluing my leaf on. Here's the before and the after. I know it's not a huge change, but I like it so much more. The next project that I'll be working on is this pumpkin here. I love it the way it is, but it's the colors of the orange that I just want a little bit less of. I'm kind of going more for a neutral look. Taking some paint that I already had from Michaels, I'm just going to cover this entire thing. I'm taking some brown paint and lightly stroking over the entire thing to give it that worn rustic look. After that, I'm taking a lighter paint color and I'm just making the plank look. While that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and take this Dollar Tree burlap ribbon and make a bow out of it. Now that it's dry, I'm taking a brown Sharpie and just running it over the white line. So here's the before and after. The last Dollar Tree project that we're going to be working on is this super cute pumpkin, and I'm actually really nervous that I'm going to mess it up. Taking the cream colored paint that we used earlier, I'm just lightly putting it over the entire thing. This took me so stinking long to do, and I'm just at the near end of it. I added a small bow with the same burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. I really could have done it a little bit bigger, but it's fine for now. I think it still looks cute. So what I did is I did the dark chocolate colored paint around the border and then the words. Yay! We're finally finished. I honestly do think that I could have done the bow a lot bigger, but you know what? It's still really cute. So here's the before, and of course the after. I honestly love them both. So the very last project that we'll be doing in this video is the Michaels wreath. So what I'm going to be taking is obviously the Michaels wreath and then using these dollar store flowers, which I think are so cute paired together. I'm also going to be taking these dollar store leaves for some much needed brown. And just like that, it's done. I know it's different, but I honestly love it. This is how I decorated my outside with dollar store products. I'll honestly probably change it up a few times until I actually get it the way I want it, but for now this is perfect. For the inside of my house, I actually don't like a lot of decor, believe it or not, so I just like a subtle hints of it. And the bathroom is where I wanted to start. Using Dollar Tree burlap flowers, I'm going to cut them up and then add them in the vase. By just adding the flowers and the small pumpkin, it definitely transformed the space for fall. And in my bedroom, I have the pumpkin that I made last year with the monogram on it, and then the two Dollar Tree pumpkins, and then the Yankee candle from Big Lots. It's super late now because I forgot to film my outro. Whoops! I got red paint all over me somehow, and I have no idea how I even did that. I look like such a weirdo. Nothing new. If you guys found this video enjoyable, helpful, or took away anything from it at all, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. If you guys are interested in entering my giveaway, all of the details will be right down below in the down bar. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I hope you have a beautiful day because you are beautiful. See you guys.